Do you have a weird hole like this in your wall? No, you probably don't. You might. Anyways, do you guys like the Aria Vent but aren't sure that you have the drywall skills or the price point to pay for the look? Well, Aria Vent's got a cheaper, more affordable Drywall Lite version that slides in, no mudding, no skill. Let's get it done.
Good lighting today. We're on site, what do you expect?
We're on site, which means no light. All right, so you guys have seen that we've been installing lots of different venting options, some from a company called Aria Vent. And a lot of you guys love those options because they look a lot better, but sometimes they're a little bit more expensive and a lot of them are a little bit more difficult to install. So if you fancy the look of these Aria Vent covers, but don't think that you have the skills or it's not at a price point for you, we've got something, well, they've got something for you. Aria Vent also makes these Drywall Lite frames. So these guys are awesome because they just drop right in and the flange covers the hole, so there's no mudding involved. You get about 90% of the look without any of the mudding, which is really, really great for people who don't feel like they have the skills but want the look of an Aria Vent. So I'm gonna install one of these. I'm gonna show you how easy it is, and then you can decide whether or not you want the light, the bead, or any of the other options that Aria Vent makes for you. Check it out. What they call this thing, a jab saw. Oh! A lot of flex, okay. Big two. I wonder what they call this thing, a jab saw? Consider a jab. Anyone can do this part. Okay, so now that we've got our hole cut out, if this were the mud-in version or the drywall bead version, at this point I'll put the return cover in and then my work is just beginning because I'm taping and mudding that so that it's flush with the wall. But the good thing about the light version is that it's got this flange on the side. You see that? Mm-hmm. So all I have to do for this model is slide it into place, throw a few screws into the surrounding studs, and then it's done. I paint that when I paint the wall and it looks just like an Aria Vent with a fraction of the work. So I'm just gonna slide this into place now. As you can see that when I put the cover on, a slight flange here, but that means that there's no mudding or taping, which is awesome. And now when I paint this, it looks just like an Aria Vent, functions just like an Aria Vent at half of less cost, at a significantly lower price point, and a much easier install. If you like Aria Vent, look into these guys, especially if you don't have the skills of a pro mudder like me, and I'm gone. I'm still here. I didn't go anywhere.
We have a lot of work to do.
Pretty sweet.